Samsung opened pre-orders for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 in India last week, and within just a week, the company has reported record-breaking numbers. This surge in pre-orders indicates that more consumers in India are now willing to invest in foldable phones. According to Samsung's official newsroom post, the new Galaxy Z series devices have received 40% more pre-orders in India than their predecessors, making them the most successful Galaxy Z series launches in the country. Pre-orders for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 began in India on July 10, 2024, coinciding with their global announcement. Samsung also stated that all units sold in India are manufactured at their factory in Noida. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is priced at INR 109,999, approximately $1,320. For the 256 gigs version and INR 129,999, roughly $1,460. For the 512 gigs version, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is available at INR 164,999, approximately $1,980. The 256 gigs version, INR 176,999, roughly $2,120. For the 512 gigs version and INR 200,999, approximately $2,410 for the 1 TB version. Customers who pre-order these devices can benefit from an instant cashback of INR 8,000. They use an HDFC Bank card and can also purchase a 1-year Samsung Care Plus accidental damage cover for INR 999. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.